Hello guys, recently I had received a comment from one of my viewer, and that is when the viewer connected their Arduino Nano to their computer, they got an error message saying that the drivers were not installed to their computer properly. So in this video, let's find a way to fix that problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
So right now we are in the PC, and when I connect my Arduino Nano to my computer, it starts installing the drivers and fails and shows this message. Now disconnect the Arduino and download the file. Link is in the description. Once you have downloaded it, open the file and you will see a screen similar to this. And now it starts installing the drivers. Now click on install. It may take a while. Now connect the Arduino to the computer. Once you see a pop-up similar to this, click OK. Now open the Arduino software. Now click on Tools and select the board and the right port. Now click on Processors, and if you are using a Chinese version of the Arduino, then click on the old bootloader option. And now you can start typing the code and uploading it. And right now we have got a successful upload. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Maybe also comment. Stay creative, and I will see you next time.